Hey guys, so we finally arrived at the White Sands National Park, and it took us about 4.5 hours to get to Las Vegas, New Mexico yesterday from the Denver metro area. And then this morning we decided to leave Las Vegas, New Mexico towards the White Sands National Park. And it took us about, how long?
Another 4 hours, 3.5 maybe.
Yeah, about 3.5 hours non-stop.
Center, and we're ready to go to the dunes. Let's do it, jump.
We're here!
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
How do you like the White Sands National Park?
It's really pretty. There's a lot more people than I thought there was going to be in January.
Yeah.
The sand is a little cold.
But the weather is just beautiful.
It's perfect. It's like,
Yeah,
what, maybe
it's
55 degrees?
Yeah, Fahrenheit.
Blue sky. Sorry, yeah, Fahrenheit. Blue skies, just quite fun. The kids are having fun with the sledding.
Oh yeah. Are you two ready to go down that steep slope?
Maybe.
1, 2, 3. It's not working. Woohoo!
Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And
Okay, racers number 2, get ready. Set. Go!
I'm too heavy. Oh!
keep on searching for my highs.
Sledders and runners, get ready in your spot to try to win this race. In 3, 2, 1, go!
How do you like this White Sands National Park?
Perfect.
Goofies.
We're going down to the park. We're going down to the parking place.
Alright, go on.
Come on, big boys.
Hey! Oh! Hey! Awesome, huh?
That was a good ride. I don't